fixed it before. And we know how to do it. So unajua kama kuna shida tunaambiana tu kwa upole, wewe ni ndugu yetu lakini umelemewa, hii sasa uwezi kufanya sasa. Lakini bahati nzuri sisi wa Kenya tumebarikiwa, tuko na watu wa kuifanya. Sasa wacha tufanye hii. That's all we are saying. Sio mambo mingi ama namna gani? That's all we are saying. Hakuna vitina hapo. Vitina inatokea wapi? Hakuna vitina because it's self evident. You can see. And by the way, I could talk about this until the cows come home. When a government fails in the social sector, the social sectors are education and health. When a government fails spectacularly like this one has failed, honestly speaking, your claim to management of the country is hollow. I mean, what are you saying? And then every day you keep saying, oh, it's working. It's only you who knows it's working. the people who are the recipients of the services, no, they are not there and they are not working. So mukienda kwa counties na kule kwingine, hivyo ndivyo nataka tueleze watu wetu. Pole pole, kwa upole, and they are the ones who feel this. You know, it's shameful. We are debating about junior secondary school teachers. 20,000 of them, instead of confirming them. And now go to the second part of taking another group of intern teachers. Sasa, ni kusema we don't have money to pay them, so we cannot confirm them. But we have money to hire 50 school buses to take people to the president's meeting in Ukambani. And then from there, we tell people to queue. We give them money, 1,000 shillings each. You know, haya ni mambo ambayo unaona wewe mwenyewe, as President Kibaki would ask, wewe mwenyewe unaona na unataka waambiwe. You can see what is happening. I've been pointing out to people in by-elections. In Nyamira, I come from, their by-elections. You know, some of these things, my brothers and sisters, are just a matter of common sense. It's not even politics, it's just common sense. The salary of an MCA, let us round it off to about 150,000 a month. If you are going to, because after this by-election, that MCA who so elected will serve for about 22 months. Because it's 1 year and about 10 months. That comes with a salary of 3.3 million shillings in total. That's what they will make. Now, a ward, the way we know it, is a group of villages. In ordinary circumstances, you can walk around a ward in 1 day. Just walking around 1 day. Ama namna gani? You can walk in some of these densely populated parts of our country like Kisii, even Kiambu here, you can walk around a county in a day. Then you take 3 choppers. To hire 1 chopper from Wilson here to that place is 1.1 million the whole day. 3 of them is 3.3 million. So honestly, if your brain is functioning, why don't you actually call that candidate and give him that 3.3 million and tell him, have fun? Or tell him, here is the 3.3 million, you serve these people for free until election time. Sasa ukipiga hiyo hesabu, uongeze hizo pesa, plus the ones that are being used to bribe people, plus everything, in a ward. I was working down with some leaders, looking at some ballpark figures on things that we are hearing and seeing. Some of those that you see, the bribery going on. And you discover, if you spend about 200 million in a small place like that, about 2 or 3